So hey guys, in today's video we are about to be playing Bed Wars. Okay. And I'm about to be back after this. Just wait. And I guess I'm back. So we are playing Bed Wars. No. Playing whatever. Can I do not know what that is. Your settings, button, flexible joy, nice. So apparently lime yellow. Go to shop, buy some shoes, mix and that. Okay, now buy a golden sword. Let's buy a bow. Can't buy a bow and not a fair sword. Sandals also. We need it. Granite? What could that do? Can't I try? I will wait on some kind. And bed, okay, secure. Dude, all ready, it's all gone. There it is. Let's buy the egg. I do not know what this does, like literally. I don't know what this does. And anyways, I'm gonna put that right here so no one can. If I die, I'll respawn. So yeah, let's put everything there. Okay, now let's go. Over there. And oh, dude, he's hard to hit. Boom, missed. Boom. 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 No. Yes, go. Oh god, that was so close of me dying. Go. Get the egg. No, stupid idiot. Let's put that there. Let's go and spawn the dragon egg. What could this stupid thing do? What? Bam. Okay, anyways, I'm sorry about that. I'm really sorry about that because of what it is. Bam. Just there, sugar. Okay. Bro, I still have more chests, idiot. Well, that's bad. I'm doing my own thing, stupid guy. Okay, so let's go. Okay, I know. Do that. Okay, got arrow. Another one. Go. Golden apple. Another. Wow. You gotta be kidding me. Stupid freaking guy. We got 16. What's the springboard? I need some money, okay? Come on, faster, man. I'm gonna buy a sword for this. So I got 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. So protect the bed. Okay. Let's go over with this. Break this. Put this here. Break this. Put this here. This. And this. And put this there. I will use this as another protection. Why can't it jump? No one can destroy this for sure. It's the most secure bed and wars. Yeah. Let's get this. Let's go to. No. I'm sorry about that. Got rescue platforms. Okay, now we have a lot of wool for some reason. What's this? A wall for what? A wall. What can I use a wall for? This one? This one? This one? Here we will put the rescue platform. If I fall, I will die. So it's just it's sus versus green. Let's go and destroy that guy. I do not know where the heck he is. Oh, let's go, man. I already destroyed his bed. Come on. Boom. Oh. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. Hell no, boy. Hell no. Push up. Push up. Woo. Woo. Ah. You ain't getting here. You ain't getting here. Yeah. You know, man. You know, yeah. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Ooh. Hopefully no one pushed me, Let's go! Seriously, man? Okay. Let's go to the next round. I'm literally crying because saw something happen to my eye. Look at row. Whatever. I don't care. Okay. Ah! Get up! Oh. Okay. What I got? I got Carney. Okay. It's corn. A big lump of nuts. It has the juice. It has the juice. I can't imagine a more beautiful thing. It's corn. A big lump of nuts. It has the juice. It has the juice. It has the juice. Back to lobby. Because I got one thing, which is it's supposed to be here. I just got it. Oh wow, water one. Alright. Go. Bro. Take it. My god. Water. Ah. Dark skin. What? Well, I guess I was stupid. So, when will I get that thing? What's all these? I guess I was stupid. Let's go back to playing some game. I don't care. Look it right. I don't care. Okay, what's this? Got a Swift potion. So lucky. And I Color mom is yellow. Push it up! Okay guys, I'm here. Pick up resources. Won't he protect the bag? Stupid guy. I know I have to, idiot. Pick up rare resources. Let's go bridge. Wait, you gotta be kidding me. Don't kill. Gotta be kidding. Got the rules. What's this thing? Bearing board. Springboard. Launches you like in that the yellow. There's something. Oh boy, I'm gone. So our bed is gone. I don't know what we will do. We just have to survive without dying. With all armors we have. This. This. I'm ready. Who the? Get him! Okay, I guess I'll see you in there. Then next video, guys. Bye.